going. This is alright, so this is I think the line with thickness and dimension is a little heavy. Yeah, this is the orthographic projection. And that that's good. But you guys are doing very well. Very well. Very well, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so that is that. Next drawing, next word. Okay. Yeah. Star. Yeah. Yes, go ahead. Alright, next. Son. You're a bit too loud, son.
You need to finish it.
Yeah, we need to fix up that. It's okay. Yeah, next one. Zoom in a little bit more. Okay, great.
And the other one, I didn't get to finish.
Okay, alright. Good job. Alright. Let's go to the next drawing. Yeah. Alright, next one. This has this as incomplete. This needs a lot of fix now. Go down somewhere, let me see. Next one. Losing a lot of money, but sometimes sacrifice for your country. Alright, so this is CC positive. It's yours as well, right? We did all this today in the first 2 hours. Well, this would be, let's see. Let me see what's going for one. Let me see. Zoom in somewhere into each drawing. Yeah. Alright, that looked good. Continue. Let me see the next one. Okay, that looked good as well. Star. Yep, that looked bad. Let me see what we want. The next one's there. Yeah, that one. Go down some more. Let me see. Go. Yeah, let me see. After the end, need a little fixing up on this one. Yeah, the end, need a little fixing up. Alright? Yeah. I didn't
finish.
Yeah. Alright, so go. That's it for that? Okay, great. Let me see the next one. That's one. Zoom in into those. Zoom in, let me see that. Yeah. Zoom in, yeah. Next one. Next one. Yeah. Okay, great. That looked good. Alright, go across. Let me see the next one. Yes, son, you may leave. That's it, right? That's it? Okay, great. Let me see your third day. It didn't add any dimension to your work, man. What's up with the dimensions? Let me see the. That is one. Yeah, let me see that. Zoom in into each one of them. Let me see that a little bit more. Yeah. What's up with the dimensions? That is not totally correct. Let me see the next one. Okay. I want to see all of it together. Yeah. Okay. Construction lines missing. Go across the next one. That's it.
I'm trying to fix. I've been trying to fix this one, but it's keeping shifting. The rest
that seems okay. That seems okay to me.
And then there's this.
Yeah. Okay. That has some work to do. I think you missed part of that one.
Which one?
Across here now.
You can leave.
Yes, you can leave. We're pretty much. I'm just taking some video of the work.
Alright.
Okay, yeah. So that is good. All right. Zoom in somewhere. Let me see. So a bit larger. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Oh yeah, you need some outline. Son, I think you're a little bit too loud. You're a bit too loud, son. Yes. Go ahead. Alright. you didn't outline these. You need to trim those section right there and fix it up real nice. See, I have a little fix up to do. So like here, you need to trim here, and then you can delete the circle that you used to get that. All right. So go over some more. Let me see. That's all you have some more, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Let me see the next one. So you have all your construction lines. All right. Another one. Good. Let me see the next one. You need to add some dimension to these, so there's no dimension there. Alright, great. Let me see the next one. That's it? Okay. Alright, let me see what you have for son. So this is the first one. Let me see the next one. This is probably need to turn on here. You're going too fast, a bit too fast. You need to turn on line with thickness so you can see something missing from this. The middle line. Right here, that's missing. Right. Let me see the one down here. Okay, not bad. Go across. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. That's it. Great. Good job.